Okay, quick video on how to change your settings. Let's see, easiest way to do this. Maybe if I do this, there we go. Alright, with mine I'm just going to go to settings. I'm running a different launcher than factory. So I'm going to go to settings, and you'll see down here it will say car. So you want to hit car, and then you're going to slide all the way down to factory settings down the bottom. Hit factory settings, and then you're going to enter 126. Done, and then OK. This is going to get you into all the factory settings. Now, I generally do not mess with anything here. Just not wise. Car logo, this is your boot logo. I made a custom one that says slingshot, get in, shut up, hold on. You can make your own. It's got to be .ico, an icon, and you can load. This is what you probably have is green droid animation or whatever, so I have mine on there. Radio, I don't mess with anything because we're in the Americas, so that's all there. Voice, you can actually change, like say you can make the microphone a little bit louder, or you can make your Bluetooth louder than your system or whatever. This kind of stuff here is when you're like your Bluetooth, say it's too damn loud, you can lower it down. Like if the phone rings and it's just so much louder than the radio, so you can make those. CAN bus, I don't mess with. Again, this is something, don't have a CAN bus inside a slingshot. Key study, I am running, there they are. I'm running these little things down here. It will learn, like I have volume up, volume down, next track, back, all that. And then when you go to other, this is what you're going to get into. If you look at the other menu, things that I generally do is the panel LED control is by power. You can make it be by headlight. I don't have it hooked up like that, so it doesn't matter. But also, as you go down, you will see that down here you have contrast. Leave that at 50. Saturation, I booted up to 80, and brightness to 80. Default, these are at 50, so I'm going to put them at 50 right now. You're going to see the difference. So I'll put this one at 50, and I'll put this one here at 50. And then I'm going to hit apply. See how dark it got? Now I'm going to exit out of here. I'm not going to reboot, and I'm just going to go to the home screen. If you look, it's not nearly as bright. So again, go to your settings, go to car, then you got to go to factory settings, 126, done, OK. Then you got to go way over to other. You're going to slide down. Now if you look at saturation, I'm going to crank it all the way up to 80. It's the highest setting. And brightness, all the way to 80. And you see how bright it got. Now I'm going to hit exit. I don't have to reboot when I'm just changing that setting. Some other ones you have to reboot. Now it's going to be much brighter.